you hear this sound, you know something wild is coming. Today, we're unleashing the beast, the KTM RC 8C, a track-focused missile born from KTM's racing DNA. With its razor-sharp design, aggressive stance, and a roar that sends chills down your spine. This isn't just a bike, it's an adrenaline delivery machine. Whether you're a KTM fan or a speed addict, stay with me because we're going to dive deep into why this bike is shaking the superbike world. The KTM RC 8C is powered by a liquid-cooled 889cc LC8C parallel twin engine producing 128 horsepower. Paired with a featherlight 140 kilograms chassis, that means insane power-to-weight ratios and blistering acceleration out of every corner. With WP Apex Pro suspension, Brembo-style brakes, and MotoGP aerodynamics, this bike doesn't just go fast, it feels like it's reading your mind. Every throttle twist is immediate. Every corner feels like it's yours to own. A leg over the KTM RC 8C is like strapping yourself into a fighter jet with handlebars. The riding position is pure race mode, aggressive yet perfectly balanced. You feel every vibration, hear every gear shift, and the feedback from the front end is laser precise. It's not forgiving, it demands respect. But give it that respect, and it rewards you with unmatched control and connection to the road or track. The KTM RC 8C isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's built for the rider who craves purity in speed, precision in control, and beauty in engineering. If this bike gets your heart racing, imagine what it's like in the saddle. Would you dare to ride it? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if you felt the adrenaline, and subscribe for more superbike experiences. This is your channel name, and the road ahead is just getting started.